Welcome to this introductory guide on Stefan's meditation techniques. In this segment, we'll delve deeper into Stefan's unique approach, which combines ancient practices with modern psychological insights to help you achieve tranquility and mindfulness. You'll learn about Stefan's background, how his experiences shaped his methods, and why his techniques are particularly effective for beginners. Whether you're entirely new to meditation or looking to refresh your practices, this video will provide clear, accessible insights into what meditation is and how Stefan's methods can be adapted to enhance your daily life. In this segment, let's explore what meditation truly is and unearth its numerous benefits. Meditation involves various practices to calm the mind and achieve a state of deep peace. It's a powerful tool not just for relaxation but for enhancing overall mental and physical health. Benefits include reduced stress, improved concentration, and better emotional well-being. Despite its popularity, several misconceptions persist, such as the belief that meditation requires emptying the mind or achieving perfection in stillness. In reality, meditation is about presence and mindfulness, allowing thoughts without judgment, and gradually finding serenity within the mind's natural activity. Dive into the foundational principles of Stefan's meditation techniques, which are centered on mindfulness, awareness, and relaxation. Mindfulness encourages you to maintain a moment-by-moment awareness of our thoughts, feelings, bodily sensations, and surrounding environment. Stefan emphasizes awareness not just of the self but also of the interconnectedness with the world, fostering a deeper understanding and harmony. Relaxation is not simply the absence of activity, it's a deliberate practice, deeply entwined with mental and physical states, leading to reduced stress and enhanced well-being. These core principles are designed to cultivate a balanced and mindful approach to every aspect of life. Embark on your journey to mastering Stefan's meditation techniques with this simple, beginner-friendly guide. First, focus on your posture. Sit comfortably with your back straight and hands resting gently. Proper posture helps maintain physical comfort and mental alertness. Next, master the breathing technique. Breathe deeply from your diaphragm, allowing your mind to focus on each breath, which aids in achieving deep relaxation and focus. Finally, cultivate your focus, starting from your breath and gently expanding to a broader awareness. These steps lay the foundational practice for meditating effectively and reaping the full benefits of Stefan's techniques. Maintaining a consistent meditation practice can be challenging, but with these practical tips, you can overcome common hurdles and integrate mindfulness into your daily life. Firstly, set a regular time and quiet place for practice to develop a routine. Address distractions by acknowledging them without judgment and gently refocusing on your breath. Combat impatience with the understanding that meditation is a skill that improves over time. Gradually extend the length of your sessions to deepen your practice. Finally, integrate mindfulness into daily activities, such as mindful walking or eating, to stay connected to the present throughout your day.